Hello, I'm Cliff Smith and welcome to lesson 14 in my series of lessons on string bends. So today we're going to look at the harmony bend. Now the harmony bend is very similar in technique to the unison bend we did in the previous lesson. The only difference is that we're bending different notes. So a harmony bend is when you take one note from a scale and then you bend up to another note from the scale, so you end up with two different notes, which creates harmony. If I bend up to the same note, I get a unison bend, which is two of the same note. That's what we did in the previous lesson. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take my third finger, put it on the 8th fret of the B string, which is a G note. I'm going to take my second finger and put it on the 7th fret of the G string, which is a D note, and then I'm going to be bending that D note up. So to help that, I'm going to add my first finger on the 6th fret of the G string. So I've got two fingers on the G string, first and second fingers on the 6th and 7th frets. I've got my third finger down on the 8th fret of the B string. I'm going to pick both of those strings and I'm going to bend up the G string a tone. So I'm bending up from D to E. So start with this harmony of D and G and end up with E and G. Very country sounding bend, that one. Okay, there's another harmony bend I'm going to show you as well, on the B and E strings this time. Little finger's going to go on the 8th fret of the E string, which is C. Third finger's going to go on the 8th fret of the B string, which is G. And I'm going to bend up the B string using my third and second fingers, maybe the first as well. Bend up a tone, and that bends that G up to an A. And I end up with A and C. So I'll start off with these two notes, G and C. End up with A and C, so I get this effect. Again, that's a very country sounding lick. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this free video. There is some tab for this lesson on my website, and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. There's some links to all of that stuff in the description of this video.